Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error code 268. You have been kicked due to unexpected client behaviors. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of two steps. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type percentage app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here you just need to go back to app data folder. Double click on the local folder. Find a Roblox folder, double click on it. In here you just need to delete these three files guys. Analytics settings.xml, frmcfg, global basic settings. Just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting it, you just need to open up versions folder. Now you just need to open the recently updated folder. You just need to find it by its date. This is 9th month and this is 8th month. As you can see, this is the latest one. Double click on it. And here you just need to right click on the app settings and select delete option. After deleting it, just to close stuff here. Second step, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. You just need to right click on where internet connection you are using. In my case, I am using Ethernet. Select properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 1111. In alternative DNS server type 1001. Click on check mark this validate setting upon exit. Select OK to save changes. Select close. After getting this done, you can open the Roblox without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.